It's your boy Bakey back at it again with some more Chainsaw Man ending reaction. And today we're reacting to ending 10. I got a small glimpse of it. I think this counts as a spoiler, or is that or foreshadowing at least. But what we see here is the eye of the future devil. Aki is about to do some obscene thing. By obscene, I mean contract. Yeah, well, I'm talking too much. Yeah, let's get into this. Oh, y'all getting a glimpse of the anime. So we see Denji here with a bunch of dogs. Since it's gonna be mostly anime only watchers watching this, so I won't disclose what those dogs mean. Manga readers, y'all know. Okay, the dogs were animated very well. Just wow. I just realized what this whole scene is, but I can't say. Y'all are in for a surprise. Oh, that was old boy. That's that Yakuza bitch. We had the zombie devil. At the cigarettes. I be I be getting so distracted by the visuals. What all of y'all seeing here is it most likely won't get animated in season 1. That's for sure. If it's what I think it is. By the way, bro, I love Denji and Power together. That's like my favorite duo right now. But the song was very good as always. They have some very good song choices. But for the visuals, it's foreshadowing a lot. That's all I can really say. But I get, as I said, Denji petting the dogs is pretty much, I guess you can see that as him with his brethren, so to speak. Because, you know, we all know what happened in episode 2. But yeah, not much else I could say about the ending alone. Unless y'all want a episode review, very sad. And more action packed. But yeah, other than that, I'm out. It's been a pleasure.